Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2014 64 plate Fiat 500S. Now this is a lovely car finished in passion red, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. Nice styling on this one. So with daytime running lights, we're riding on these lovely 16-inch sort of diamond turned satin black alloy wheels. All four wheels, they're in nice order, riding on nice tyres. When the car goes through our preparation process, any marks on the wheels, they just get improved. But bodywork wise, a very, very tidy car. So looking down the passenger side, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. Looking at bumper corners, they're all nice and straight. Same goes for the driver's side. Obviously these tend to be a first car for most, so you do tend to pick up little nicks and dings, but this one you can tell has truly been cherished by the previous owners. Now, even though it's a small car, you still get quite a bit of luggage space in these. So nice feature, parcel shelf is present. You've got split folding rear seats. Down here you'll find a space saver spare wheel, which is quite rare. Normally you get tyre inflation kits on these newer cars. Looking at the back plinth, that's all in nice order as well. Nice sporty styling, so you get the sort of black inserts in the rear bumper, nice chromed exhaust, nice silver grab handles, and then inside a lovely interior. So part leather, so we've got these leather details all throughout. We've got the S badging just to show that this is the sportier looking version. Not a sporty engine, so still fantastic on your insurance, very cheap on running costs, and very low road tax as well. Back seats look like they've barely been sat in. Lovely red detailing following through inside, so on your door cards, on the seats, we've got the contrasting red stitch on the steering wheel, and then you've got the Fiat 500 in the red there as well. As we're doing the video, we've covered just over 58,000 miles. We're on 58,003. Onboard computer, this is the newer style infotainment sort of system and the newer style display up ahead. So you've got your trip computer on there, you've got Bluetooth phone, volume controls, voice command, climate control with air conditioning, 5-speed manual transmission on one of these, more lovely red detailing. We've got AUX, move that to the side, you've got USB, 12-volt power outlet, central cup holders, and then adjustable seats. All of the documentation which was supplied with the car from new is still with the car there today. As you can tell, stacks of paperwork, and then locking wheel nuts is found in there as well. But a lovely car, like I said, driven it myself, drives superb, goes through all the gears fine, clutch is fine. Before it comes to you, it goes through our pre-delivery inspections, so it's a 128-point inspection. From there then, if it needs servicing, we'll service it. If it needs an MOT, if it's under 6 months, we'll put a fresh one on there. And then all of our cars come with a warranty as well. So, if you'd like anything further, finance quotes, part exchange price, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.